Very good morning, class 11 science, especially biology students. I welcome you all in the beautiful world of biological sciences. A broad horizon is waiting for you in your life. You know, the most important part of the scientific studies is the life sciences, that is, biological sciences. Most vast fields are present in biological sciences, starting from doctors to farmers, food technologists, pharmacists, and microbiologists, and means unlimited. Any branch of the science, it is ultimately correlated or connected with the biological sciences itself. But one thing I want to clear you, you have opted the biological sciences, you need to focus too much is somehow different. You have to be intellectual, you have to develop the power of thinking, you have to develop the power of asking what, why, and how, and when. So if you find yourself that you can do these type of things, and you can study with keen observations, and if you have the ability to observe your surrounding, and if you have the ability to analyze to find out the reason, then it is the suitable stream of subject for you. Okay, so dear, I shall take your biology, and again I welcome all the students of KB Dirang in biology department, and I promise you to give my best from my side, and I also expect your cooperation and support, right? Time to time we shall discuss our problems, and if any difficulty you are facing, because due to the lockdown we all are facing problem, we are stagnant inside the room, and even our physical and mental status is also changed. So if you are facing any physiological psychological problem, then also that you can discuss with your teachers. We'll try, right? And my suggestion is to entertain yourself with the help of music, yoga, meditations, and all in this period. Okay, dear. So I think we should start our first part of 11th biology. Okay, so I will introduce today what are the chapters and what we need to study, and what is deleted, because 4-5 chapters are deleted from your chapter, that we'll see. Okay, very good morning, class 11th biology. Now I'm going to introduce the syllabus of biology here to you, because before studying we should know what amount of work we need to do in this subject, right? Okay, so dear, you have 5 units, unit number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and each unit is having some chapters, right? Unit 1 you see 4 chapters, then 3 chapters, then 3 chapters, then 5, and like that. And total, as per the old textbook without change, we had 22 chapters, right? But dear, out of these 22 chapters, some chapters are deleted. Okay, we'll see it. First unit you see, unit 1, diversity in living world. It's not new for you. In 9th we studied diversity, so it is related to class 9th. Okay, unit number 2, it is organization in plants and animals. So tissues, it is related to class 9th tissues, right? It is extended form. Unit number 3, but here you see chapter number 6 is deleted, that we need not to study. Then unit number 3, it's also related to class 9th, structure and function. It's also related to class 9th, right? Means cell, it is related to cell. Unit number 4, plant physiology. It has 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15 chapters, but both 2, 11 and 12 chapters are deleted, and it is related to class 10th. And last unit, that is human physiology. Human physiology, 16 to 22 chapters are there, but 16 chapter is deleted. So overall you can count 4 chapters are deleted, so total we have 18 chapters to study. Apart from that, the chapters those are not deleted, इंटरनली सम टॉपिक्स आर डिलीटेड फ्रॉम द चैप्टर्स, मतलब बीच बीच से कुछ टॉपिक्स उसे हटा दिए हैं, दैट विल सी. So these two units, unit number 4th and 5th, if you have studied class 10th properly, you can understand. And unit number 1 to 3, they are related to class 9th syllabus. Okay. Okay dear, so we are starting, right? Our first chapter from unit number 1, that is living world. What you need to do, that you have to prepare the notes as per we are discussing here in this video lesson, right? Okay. The living word, you know, this word living is not a simple word. Can you tell me what is living? What is living condition? Can you tell me what is living condition, or to which thing you can say living? Okay, I think you know, right? For example, attributes, all living grows. जो भी लिविंग है उनमें ग्रोथ होती है, राइट? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ग्रोथ? मीनिंग ऑफ ग्रोथ मतलब इंक्रीज इन, एरो से यूज कर रहा हूँ, इंक्रीज इन साइज एंड increase in terms of mass. Their mass and size is increasing, that means it is growing. So all the living things, they are growing. Second, all livings reproduce. Reproduce means they are producing babies और ऑफस्प्रिंग्स, मतलब बच्चे पैदा करते हैं फॉर कंटिन्यूएशन ऑफ न्यू जनरेशन. क्लियर? ओके. अनदर इज metabolism. Then it may be somehow not related, or might you have heard metabolism. What is metabolism? Okay, ठीक है, I am describing it. This metabolism define two processes: catabolism and anabolism. Catabolism plus anabolism equals to metabolism. Okay, means catabolism breaking and anabolism making. These two processes, breaking and making, is always continuous in the living body. If any organism is said to be living, then breaking of some molecules and breaking of some molecules inside the body is taking place. For example, you see, this you need to understand very well. For example, you eat starch. खाते हैं ना, रोटी खाते हैं, इट्स नथिंग बट स्टार्च. चपाती और पोटैटो. Potato is a big molecule. It's a big molecule. Then क्या करते हैं आप इसको? Digest. तो क्या हो गया? Breaking small molecules. Breaking. किस में कन्वर्ट हो गया ये? ग्लूकोज में. So this is digestion process and breaking. So what you can say? It is catabolism. And ये ग्लूकोज कहाँ जाता है? To cell. Blood के through it goes to cell. And again it has two paths. दिस ग्लूकोज कैन बी स्टोर्ड, तो जब स्टोर्ड होगा तो कैसे स्टोर्ड होगा, ग्लूकोज के फॉर्म में स्टोर्ड नहीं होता. दिस ग्लूकोज इज स्टोर्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ग्लाइकोजन. ग्लाइकोजन इज ऑल्सो अ बिग मॉलिक्यूल लाइक स्टार्च. तो छोटे ग्लूकोज मॉलिक्यूल मिल करके फिर से किस में कन्वर्ट हो गए, ग्लाइकोजन में. सो इट इज़ विच प्रोसेस, मेकिंग. मेकिंग दैट मीन्स इट इज़ एनाबोलिज्म. सेकेंड पाथ क्या हो सकता है, ग्लूकोज कैन प्रोड्यूस व्हाट, ATP. So this is also making as well as breaking, energy is produced. So in this way, inside the cell, breaking and making processes continuously going on, and these both breaking and making processes are called as metabolism. Metabolism. Okay. Next characteristic of the living organism, that is body organization, right? Body organization, that also you have studied in class 9th. Organization is of many kinds. For example, cellular level, then it may be tissue level, it may be organ level, it may be organ system level. So each and every organism, whether it is small or big, it has different level of organizations, whether it is made up of only the single cell, that is unicellular, or it may have some tissues but no organ and no system, so that will be tissue level. And then some are having tissues as well as organ, so organ level, and some don't have, and some has organ system level. So there are different levels of organization. Complex organisms, for example human, they have organ system level of organization. And simple animals, for example you can say porifera, they have cellular level of organization. In class 9th you studied, right? Okay. Next you see next property is consciousness. Consciousness means सचेतन है, right? Means it means giving responses to external or internal stimuli. And what is stimuli? अब अगर मैं कहूँ कि प्लीज़ स्टैंड अप, तो आप सुन के खड़े हो जाएंगे. व्हाट इट इज़ रिस्पॉन्स. एंड व्हाट इज स्टिमुलाई, जो आपने सुना वो स्टिमुलाई है, राइट? क्लियर? देन मॉस्क्यूटो इज बाइटिंग, यू आर फीलिंग द पेन एंड यू आर हिटिंग ऑन मॉस्क्यूटो. So what was the response? Hitting the mosquito. What was the stimuli? Biting of mosquito. स्कूल का बेल आप सुनते हैं, राइट? लास्ट बेल, तो आप स्कूल से भागना शुरू कर देते हैं. व्हाट इज़ दैट? वो जो रनिंग है दैट इज़ रिस्पॉन्स, और स्टिमुलाई क्या है? वो रिंगिंग बेल. तो एक्सटर्नल एनवायरनमेंट में बहुत सारे हमको मैसेज मिलते हैं. कई बार हम आँखें देख करके, सपोज इन ऑन द रोड यू आर ड्राइविंग अ बाइक, मीन्स यू आर बाइकिंग, so nobody says you to stop, but just you see the red signal, you stop automatically. So that red signal is means it is what? Stimuli, and you applied the brake and you stopped your car or bike, that is your response. As soon as you see the green signal, then you again move forward. So you are giving responses towards the external stimuli and internal stimuli also. Clear? So consciousness is also very important feature of any living organism. Now students, coming back to the next level, right? Okay, so living, but not only human is living, there are many kinds of living organisms which are present around us, and those all comes under living world, and they all are either in low degree or high degree, they are connected to each other and they share some common characteristics or genetic material, right? Okay, so living world, we should know what is living world, okay. So varieties of livings present in air or water or soil, right, or inside livings. कई बार लिविंग के अंदर भी और कई लिविंग्स रहते हैं, राइट. सो आइदर प्रेजेंट इन एयर, वाटर, सॉइल और इनसाइड द लिविंग is called as biodiversity. Okay, in class 9th also we studied. Okay, and it includes what it includes. It includes plants, animals, fungi, bacteria, viruses, and many. Means what these are? Combinedly you can say microbes. Plants, animals and microbes present in air, water, soil or inside the living organisms are called as varieties or biodiversity, right? Okay, ठीक है. But this whole world is very big. So what amount of diversity is available in the whole world? Already in class 9th also we used to study it. So as per estimated 1.7 to 1.8 million varieties, or you can say species, are present in this whole world. Clear? Approximately 1.7 to 1.8 million species or varieties of all livings, plant, animals, microbes are present. Not counted, it is only estimated. मतलब सिर्फ अंदाज़ा लगाया है कि इतने हो सकते हैं. Nobody has counted, right? हो सकता है इससे भी ज़्यादा हो, और आई थिंक जो मैंने देखा है डेफिनेटली इट विल बी मोर देन इट. बट एज पर स्टडीज एंड एजम्पशन वी नीड टू रिमेंबर 1.7 to 1.8 million varieties of living. Variety is very good, and because the richness of the varieties is very helpful for continuation of life either for plant or animals. बट इट इज़ अ डिफ़िकल्ट टास्क ऑल्सो टू स्टडी अबाउट दैम, बिकॉज हम अपने फैमिली के 10 लोगों को ठीक से मैनेज या नहीं कर पाती है, गाँव के पूरे लोगों के नाम याद नहीं रख पाते. सो हाउ इट इज़ पॉसिबल टू रिमेंबर एंड स्टडी 1.7 to 1.8 million species? Okay, so it is difficult. It was a challenge since starting of the biological sciences branches, and still people are facing. But many attempts were made by the scientists. In class 9th you studied about I think in class 10th also you studied about Darwin. I hope you remember. Then you studied about R.H. Whittaker. You studied about Aristotle. Right? These scientists, you have heard the name of these scientists. They tried to classify the plants, animals and microbes in different categories. Right? But apart from that, or among them, one very important scientist that is given in your textbook's first page, that is Ernst Mayr. Ernst Mayr, 1904 to 2004. He is considered as the father of modern systematics, or father of modern taxonomy, whatever you want to say, right? So he did a lot of work in proper classification of plants, animals and microbes, and he contributed a lot. That's why we need to remember his contribution. And 2004 he died at the age of 100. Photograph is also given in your textbook that you need to remember. Okay, who is that? Ernst Mayr. Ernst Mayr, and Darwin also. Clear? So they helped a lot for the classification or for proper arrangement of the living organisms present in this whole world. So this was the introduction for our chapter. Tomorrow we shall see the next part of this chapter number 1, that is living world, right? And I hope you shall understand. And again and again we'll discuss if you are facing any problem. And I also request my previous students, Ayushi J. Parmar, Devang Kotadia, and Harsh and all, Manashri also, to please go through the videos. And if you are facing the problem, you can write in the comment box of YouTube, or directly you can call also. Okay, thank you so much. Take care, dears.